So this part is about human drives and motivations, and we're all different. We, as people, we all have, well, different looks, yeah, different drives, different motivations, different desires, different ambitions. We're all different. So this is one of the reasons why it's so hard to develop a good, suitable, and focused gamification system or serious game. Of course, I can help you to design something where the motivations match the mechanics, or better to say, the mechanics match the motivation of the target audience. Um, and there are different models. There's the Bartle player types, there's Quinn, there is the insights, management drives. You could, of course, say that purpose, autonomy, and mastery are key drives that everyone has. But I developed this model in my book based on the impact model, and you can see certain drives that we have, or motivations that we have when we play a game. So we either want to learn stuff, or we want to show people how smart we are. We are curious and we want to experience the impact of our abilities, or we are very social, or we want a storyline to help us through the game. Or, for instance, we are fantasizing about all the things we want to achieve, or we want to submit ourselves to the game mechanics. The best thing you can do when you develop a game concept or a gamification concept is to at least questionnaire or build a questionnaire for your target audience, depending on how many people need to play the game. Then develop a prototype and then test it as soon as you can. So don't think that you can develop a game that will motivate everyone. Basically, in my experience since 2010, is that the games we develop will probably motivate 30 to 70 or sometimes even 90% of all players. But 30% will say, I don't want to play a game, I'd rather do a workshop, or I'll read a book, or I'll watch this video, or whatever. So make sure, on the one hand, that your mechanics match the motivation of the target audience. On the other hand, don't sweat it too much. It's better to develop a game with some mechanics, not too many, but some mechanics that people like, or most of the people like, and some of the people hate. It's fine if some people don't like your game. Those are the learnings I can give you for now. So if you try to get a good image of your target audience, if it's male or female, if it's the type of consumer, that you can pinpoint them and build your mechanics around their drives and motivations. More information on some slides that I will share.